Well, here we are looking at the room, and very kind gentleman here, Papa Sera. He's going to show us and tell us all about the room. So say hello. First of all, say hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi. So, Mr. Holmes, this is the washroom. So you have a nice cubicle shower.
Okay, so we got a commode here, which is good, and we've got the baby shower, which is good. And walking it through here, we're going to find the shower. Okay. So there's a sliding door for the shower, and the shower itself. It's a waterfall shower. So here you are. You can see here is the waterfall shower, and coming through commode there, standard thing with the Hilton. You have two toilet tissues, one to use and one for standby, and a telephone in case you get locked into the bathroom. So that's kind of good. And so we got two showers.
Yeah.
So we have a waterfall shower, and we have a rainwater shower. Where's the? There we go. See. So it's the noodle effect. The water comes down as noodles, and also what we've got here is a flexible hose shower, so we can spray the areas that the rain shower doesn't reach. We've got a nice rack here for the soap, and we've got the shampoos and body gel and conditioner, whatever here. And coming round to the sink area, you've got this lovely sink, very modern type standing sink, more soap there, and here we've got all the bits and pieces that you need. I guess there's toothbrush, a razor, humidity kit, repair kit, shower cap, and glasses covered with a nice paper top to stop anything coming inside there.
And you have access to your wardrobe from inside the bathroom as well.
Now this is very interesting. First time I've seen this. You can access your wardrobe, your clothes, from inside the shower area and also from the main area, the main room. That's very good. So let's have a look at these robes. Very soft, beautiful robes. We've got an ironing board. That's very good. Yeah. And we've also got these slippers as well. So that's good. And a hairdryer and a mirror. So, wow, there's lots here. That's good. So let's go round into the
As I said, you can open it from this side as well.
Okay. So this is what he was explaining. The other side of there is the shower. So you can access the wardrobe either way. And we've got laundry bags. We've got a safe box. Yeah, very good. And then into the bedroom itself.
Coffee amenities.
Okay, so here we have a nice kettle, some nice mugs, a selection of tea. Which tea have we got here? Is this? It's not. Normally we get Dilmah.
This is the owner's tea. He has a tea company.
Okay. Okay, so we'll have to try that, see how that is compared to the Dilmah tea. And also we've got some glasses up here. Beautiful, shining, crystal clear. That's very good. And we can actually see through into the bathroom, and there's a Venetian blind there, so that you've got the privacy. And two beds, so I feel, yeah, usual standard Hilton, very comfortable, not too firm, not too soft, just perfect. So this is all very nice. We're going to go outside. Here we go. This guy's very proud of his balcony, so let's go and have a look at this.
The best part.
So look at this, a nice little private area. We've got a couple of chairs. We've got a coffee table there. And coming out into the garden, I was a little bit surprised because looks like there's a big buffalo or a bull, but it's a statue, so that's quite good. I can just see down into the pool area there. Looks like a lifeguard with red shorts, and this is that very long swimming pool that everyone's told me about, which they said it's a great pool for doing some nice long swims, which is good. The other side of the pool, we can see there's a lake, and the other side of the lake, there's mountains. So this is Sri Lanka, and the hotel itself, look, instead of just like stone fascia, it's a natural fascia. What's the flower that's growing here? This purple colour flower? Do you know the name of this flower? This one? Okay, here we go. Anybody knows what this flower's called? Let me know. That'd be good. Thank you. So coming back into the room, these look like very comfy chairs. It's very nice to have a glass of wine and watch the sun go and say good night to us. That's good. So coming back into the room, we've got a huge sofa there. Is that a sofa bed as well?
You can turn it into a sofa bed.
Ah, you see, Hilton, they think of everything. So as well as the twin beds, we've also got this huge, great big sofa bed. Looks very comfortable. We had one in Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. Very, very comfortable. So we've got a desk here. And what's the internet like here?
It's quite fast.
It's quite fast. Okay, and there is a cable internet?
Wi-Fi.
Oh, it's Wi-Fi. Okay, that's good. Don't tell me the password, otherwise everybody will know. So what do we got here? We've got a couple of multi sockets there. It takes the square pin and the round pin and everything. And what we're seeing in more and more places now, we've got the USB. So charge. Everybody needs lots of USB. In the old days, we used to plug into the back of the TV to get the USB power to charge our phones. And we've got the Wi-Fi here, so that's good. Well, here we go. This is the room. It's looking very good. I'm so glad I took the drive from up north, or the Western Province, to down south. Down south. As down south as we can go, just about. I think the furthest south will be Dondra Lighthouse.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, but that's not far away. So we're about the same kind of latitude here. So look at this, and then as well as the AC, there's a nice ceiling mounted fan, so we don't always have to have the AC blasting away. We can have a nice draft from there. So what is the key points for this? Beautiful bathroom, the standard very comfortable Hilton beds, the sofa bed, which you don't normally get in like the normal Hiltons, but you get them in the DoubleTree. And the real nice thing here, I think, is this balcony, because it's all very natural and it's very peaceful, very quiet, tranquil, and you've got some kind of wooden walling to the next balcony, so it gives you that little bit of privacy. So let's have a look at the rest of the hotel later on. Time for a quick shower after our drive down. It was quite a long drive, but it's a very comfortable drive because it was like dual carriageway highway most of the way. Excellent. So here we are, Hilton DoubleTree, Viruvilla, in near to Hambantota, down south in Sri Lanka.